Meaning of dirty den.
Dirty den.
Dirty den.
Dirty den.
Dirty den. Dirty Den is a nickname given to a fictional character named Dennis Watts, who was a popular figure in the British soap opera EastEnders. The character, played by actor Leslie Grantham, was known for his shady business dealings and immoral behavior. The nickname Dirty Den refers to his reputation as a manipulative and deceitful person. The character was widely criticized and became one of the most hated characters on the show. Despite this, he remained a fan favorite and his storyline generated significant interest and controversy among viewers.